of at least 2 hours. But I'll try and give it to you very in a nutshell. It's a concept that belongs to ancient Indian music, ancient Indian classical music. It's not necessarily Hindustani or Carnatic. This is even before that those concepts really came in. What makes this, there were a lot of concepts that were based on harmonics in ancient classical Indian music. And the concept of Grihaswara is very closely associated with that. So every raga had a Grihaswara, or the starting point, Grihaswara, the home. And those ragas were only sung with reference to that Grihaswara, that swara which was the starting point. That's the very superficial few statements about it. But this concept, of course, is not in any way Can I continue? Please don't change the settings of the mics because of the monitor and then we'll struggle to sing. I can't hear anything now. Yeah, I still can't hear myself, but I'm going to continue. So this composition, so this concept is not necessarily related to us anymore. But Muthuswami Dikshithar has kind of held on to certain ideas in this concept. So what you will hear in this composition, in this Raga Gehejeji, may sound actually wrong. You will hear me replacing different swaras for a set of swaras. I'm just going to say different swaras for a set of swaras, so it will sound extremely odd. But I think this is just a kind of reference to certain forms or certain concepts that exist in ancient Indian classical music. And it's important in that fashion to retain it as it is. So I'll point out that you'll pretty much figure it out when I sing it. The composition is Ramachandran Bhakti. The raga is Gehejeji. In the Chittaswara that comes in this, it's called a Grihaswara. The first time I will sing the swara as it should be, that is the normal. The second time I'll replace the correct swaras with what you could call wrong swaras, which are actually not wrong. Just listen to it. sa ni da pa ni da da pa 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 ma ga ni sa ni ma 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 ni da ni sa ni da pa ni da da pa 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 ma ga ni sa ni ma ma ni da ni pa pa ma ni ma ga ni sa ni da pa sa ni ma ga